Dear students, today I am going to tell you about cell division and mitosis. And for our BSc Medical Biotechnology course, Cell and Molecular Biology, the name of the course is, and course code is BBBMBT1002. And today's topic is cell division and cell cycle. And in the beginning, of course, I'll be telling you about the mitosis. So let us come to now. All cells are derived from pre-existing cells. The cells are produced for growth and to replace damaged or old cells. They differ, or the cell division differs in both prokaryotics and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes like bacteria, and eukaryotes protist, fungi, plants and animals. Now, the instruction for making cell parts are encoded in the DNA. So each cell, new cell, must get a complete set of the DNA molecules, and this is the DNA which has got all the information coded into it. Now, DNA must be copied or replicated before cell division. Each new cell will then have an identical copy of the DNA. See, this is the DNA structure, and here it is replicating into the two. Its identical replica is synthesized. Let us come to this. And this slide is showing the identical daughter cell, how it looks. This is the parent cell. It is divided into two identical daughter cells. Now this slide shows the chromosome, how it looks under the microscope. Now this is the division in prokaryotic chromosome. The DNA of prokaryotes or bacteria is one, and it is in the circular form. It is attached to the inside of the cell membrane. We can see here. And in eukaryotes, all eukaryotic cells store genetic information in the chromosomes. We can see that this is the structure of the chromosomes, how these chromosomes look under the microscope. And most eukaryotes have between 10 and 50 chromosomes in their body cells. Human body cells have 46 chromosomes or 23 identical pairs. Each chromosome is composed of a single tightly coiled DNA molecule. Chromosomes can't be seen when cells aren't dividing and are called chromatin. The chromatin is in this condensed form. The chromosomes are not clear. They are clear during the division only. Now, compacting DNA into chromosome, how the DNA is arranged in the chromosome. DNA is tightly coiled around the proteins called the histones. So these are the proteins, histone proteins, this red color histone proteins, and this is again histone protein around which the DNA is arranged. Before cell division, what happens? They get separated from the histones and they are involved in the cell division. Chromosomes in dividing cells. Now, how do the chromosome looks under the microscope. And this is the actual structure, and this area is known as centromere, and, and these two are the chromatids. Chromatids have two arms. This is the short arm, this is the long arm. Now, the duplicated chromosomes are called chromatids and are held together by the centromere. This is centromere, and it is the duplicated form of the chromosome, and they are duplicating into two chromatids. Now, a picture of chromosome from a human cells arranged in pairs by size we can see. We know first 22 pairs are called autosomes. These are all the autosomes. We have 22 pairs of autosomes. All are responsible for various, all are coding for various characteristics of us. Last pair are the sex chromosome. Now these two are the sex chromosome. This is X chromosome and this is Y. Y chromosome is a small chromosome. So in female there is pairing of X chromosome, and in male it is XY. Now this is the chromosomal structure of a male. This is X chromosome and this is the Y chromosome. Now, boy or girl is decided by the X and Y chromosome. If the combination is of two X chromosome, then it is a male, it is a female. Female has two X chromosomes, but male has one X and one Y chromosome. Y chromosome is a smaller chromosome, and this is showing the cell reproduction. This cell reproduction or cell division is shown by this diagrammatic presentation. This is the complete cell. This is centromere. Now these are the chromosomes. Each are dividing into chromatids, and they are attached at the centromeres. Now they are arranged in the form of at the center, and a spindle is formed from the centrioles, and they are arranged in the center. Later on I'll be describing about the cell division in details, and now how we see how they are dividing into the two cells, and these one set moves to this cell and another one moves to this cell, and this is how the two cells are formed, and ultimately the cytoplasm also divides, and the division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. The division of the nucleus is known as karyokinesis, and division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis, and it is divided into two identical cells. Now, types of cell reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves a single cell dividing to make two new identical daughter cells. Mitosis and binary fission are the example of asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction involves two cells, eggs and sperm, joining to make a new cell called zygote that is not identical to the original cell. And meiosis is the example of it. This slide is showing the division in prokaryotes, how the chromosome will divide, and ultimately the cytoplasm also divides. Now, cell division in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes such as bacteria divide into two identical cells by the process of binary fission. The process is that single chromosome makes a copy of itself. See, this is the bacterial cell and this is bacterial DNA, and it is a bacterial chromosome, and it is making its replica, dividing into two, and ultimately it is the cell wall forms between the chromosomes and dividing into the two cells. See, here the cytoplasm is also dividing and we get the two cells. So first of all, the replica of the chromosome is made, and then it divides into two, and then ultimately the cytoplasm also divides and two cells are formed. Okay? And these are various references, and so this is all about the cell cycle. And in the next class, and these are the various references, we can follow any of these, and this in the next class I will be discussing about the mitosis, what happens during mitosis, and after that we will be discussing about the meiosis. So actual cell division we will discuss in details in the next class. So okay.